Let's take one complex exercise in SolidWorks. Look, this is a kind of this is CATICS examination question. This is the number 3D15H04. This is the question number. Now this is the question. See here all dimensions in millimeter. We already specified in table. There are parameters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, T. We have to put this in equations. Then we have to find what is the distance from P1 to P2. P1, see this top corner to end point of this circle, P2. Then what is the area of yellow, blue and green region? See, there are yellow, blue and green region. We have to find the area, and at the end, what is the volume of the model? This is the volume of the model. All answer written here. Now we have one top view, then there is a one section view A. This is the section view A. Then section view B. Where is this is section view B. Then there is a one side view from this side. Okay. Then this is a bottom view, and this is section view C. You will see here section view C. Now there is isometric view to just see the, and there is some more detail view. See this detail view of this one and the detail view of this one. So let's see where we are going to start. We are going to start from this circular body. This circular body radius, you will see RB. You will see section A. Okay, section A. This outer body is kind of slot. See, this is kind of slot. Distance C, outer distance. And if you drop down, the length of slot E. Okay, see, this is the length of slot, and radius I am going to take B. So we will make it complete radius. Then we will cut. See here, these are little tricky. Let's do this, then we will see. Equations, right click, manage equations, global variable. Now let me apply A, tab key. Now we have to put all the dimensions 42, double tab. Then similarly I am going to apply all the dimensions. Press tab key, and this is going to be 22. C, tab, 8.8, double tab, D, again tab, 8.5, E, tab, 13, F, tab, 132. Now here you have to change unit, go to degree. This is radius. Okay, tab key, and this is going to be G, tab, 7. The last one T. We are going to consider this one thickness, 1.4, tab. Now see all the dimensions applied here. Say OK. If you drop down equations, you will see all the values here. Let's start with top plane, sketch, activate circle. Okay, the diameter. Now diameter is equal to global variable B multiplied by 2, because the radius is given B. Okay, see, exit. Now front plane equations. Let me choose center point straight slot. Okay, smart dimension. This is given C. The diameter is C. Okay. Now distance from center to here. This is given E. Global variable E. Okay. Now select this curve and select this one point. Make it coincide. Oh, sorry, pierce. Okay, we need to close this one. We have to make half body, not full. So I'm going to click line, connect from this end to this end. Make sure midpoint to midpoint. Exit. Now I want to add material in circular direction. So choose here swift boss base, sketch profile. Now here profile, no, right click, selection manager. Now here choose this option, select region. See, I selected region. So here you have to activate region. Okay. Now for direction, I'm going to choose this one. Now see, this is going to accept only half of the, say okay. See, now this is little tricky part. You have to trim. See this tangent line. This radius is equivalent to C. Then we have to make point up to here. See, this is tangent. This radius going to keep tangent R radius B. Okay. And this pipe diameter also C. Let's see how we can do this. Top plane, sketch, activate here line tool, connect, exit. Now let me draw center line, vertical and horizontal. Let me show previous sketch. This is the previous sketch. Show. Okay. Let me select this one, convert entity and make it construction line. Then hide it. Again, I am going to draw circle. Now I am going to draw circle at this midpoint. Again, I am going to draw one circle here. Now, hold shift key, select these two circles equal. Select the outer body, outer edge, circle, tangent. And this is for construction purpose. This is also for construction purpose, 3-point arc. Connect tangent line to here, select. Now select this one, these two make tangent. Okay. Radius. This radius is RB. So choose, let me choose B, global variable. Okay. Okay, make this one tangent to this also. Look, make it construction, we need it later. Okay, one more tangent line. Connect this point to this point for construction. Okay. Now select this internal radius, internal curve. See, hold shift key, select this, make tangent relation. This is important relation. Now see, this is fully defined sketch. Now gap between these two, D. Smart dimension, this is important. Hold shift key, select this curve and this curve. No, we don't need this. Again, I am going to choose shift key, select this one, this one. Okay, this is going to be D, right? Equals global variable D. Okay, see the value. Now look, it seems fully defined. Keep this one outside so that we need to cut this center one. Go to feature, extruded cut. Choose here flip side to cut and choose through all both. See, you will see this arrow, small arrow should be inside. We need to cut inside. Say okay and look here. This is what we trimmed. Okay, but at this area there is a one tangent point. So top plane, sketch, activate circle and let me draw circle to these points. Look, it seems fully defined. Now we need to extrude. So choose here extruded boss base. Here choose up to vertex, and vertex means this up to this level, say OK and see. Select this face, sketch, convert entity. Revolve boss base. Select this internal line, make it 360, no problem, merge result, say OK. Now see these results created. Okay. That's fine. We done. Now we have to make this pipe. See this pipe. Total length, distance from here to here A. Let's see how we can do this. Now let me select, let me select this top face, sketch, and let me choose previous sketch 3, show. Okay, we need this one. See, let me select this edge, convert entity, activate line, straight, make sure this is going to tangent with this. Now distance equals to global variable A. See, okay. Now plane, let me select this line and end point and see plane going to create on this. Okay, select plane 1, sketch, activate circle, this diameter C equals to global variable C. Okay, let's try to place where exactly. Let me hide this previous. Select this point, this one, go inside, see, go to feature, shift boss base. Now this one selected, sketch profile, profile selected, choose path. Path is simple. More, okay, merge tangent faces. Okay, it looks perfect. Hide. Now select this face. Okay, now if you see, this is hollow, thickness T, and one more, see, thickness T. So let's make thickness, then we will add this flange. This flange diameter, you will see tangent edges. This is important. Circle and this below edge is tangent. Then there are 7 number of 2 dia hole, gap 3 millimeter, and the thickness this flange 2 millimeter inside. Okay. Shell feature equals to global variable T. Select 1, 2. Okay, there is a show preview. Okay, it looks fine. See, it looks perfect. Select this face, sketch, activate circle. Now select internal face, internal diameter, not face, convert entity. Select outer edge and select this circle. And let me choose here tangent. That's fine. Okay, let me select, make it whole also. So we don't need to make again. For construction, let me choose gap 3 millimeter. Add hole, add this point. 2 diameter 2 millimeter. Choose circular sketch. Now number of holes here 7, equal spacing 360 degree, point, let's say this one. Here pattern to entities, entities to pattern, select the hole. You will see 7 number of hole. Okay, it looks not fully defined, so select any point, line, coincide. If you don't, just select this, just move little, select. Okay, fully defined. Extruded boss base. Keep end condition blind and depth only 2 millimeter, but it should be inside. So reverse. Okay. See, select this face, yellow, because we need to find the area of this. And similarly, bottom, okay. Now if you see section view, see the upper area is going to filled. See, there is a quarter circle, so let it filled, then we will cut. Okay, then you will see there is this one, detail view, R to outer radius 2 millimeter, hole depth 2 millimeter, angle 10, and you will see the gap 5 millimeter, this pitch circle diameter 5 millimeter away from this internal one. And if you see detail view, this is not straight, there is a tapered F. So we will do in 2 steps. One, we will extrude, then we will use revolve cut to clear this one, 2 millimeter F. And one more thing, these areas are tangent, not tangent. Okay, see, these areas are rotating surface. So let's see how we can achieve this one. Top plane. Okay, before going to this one, fill this front plane, sketch. Okay. Do one thing. Let's select these two upper and outer line, convert entities. Then I am going to choose 3-point arc. Draw one quarter circle. Okay. Select this one, this line, coincide. Similarly, select end point and the center point, vertical. It is fully defined sketch. Trim entity, power trim, delete this half and delete this. Okay. Revolve boss base surface. Now this profile is open from this side. So system asks, would you like to close? Say yes. Now see, this is going to create a complete circular body. Keep angle 360, merge result. Say okay. Okay, now let me choose top plane, sketch, draw one circle. Make this one construction line. Okay. Make little outside. Now select this one, circle, convert entities. Let me select, draw one vertical line to here. Make sure this is vertical. Activate line tool. Sorry. Go back to point. See, the line is converted into arc. Click somewhere here, then draw up to here. Exit. Now do one thing, the center point of this curve, hold shift key, this point, go inside, activate circle, let me draw here circle. And create one important relation, select these two outer line, center line, and make constraint symmetric. This is important relation, smart dimension. This gap 5 millimeter, the outer radius 2 millimeter, the inner radius or diameter also 2 millimeter. Okay. Angle 10 degree. Trim entity, power trim, and trim this outer line. We don't need these lines. Okay. Now we have one complete circular defined body. Extruded boss base, add material here. Now I'll make it depth 10 millimeters. Let's see isometric view. Because we need to trim this one. Okay. Which plane is suitable? Right plane. Sketch. Activate here line tool. Okay. Draw something like this. Connect. Make important relation. Select this outer line and this line, collinear. This is important. Okay. Angle, distance 2 millimeter, angle equals to global variable, angle is given F 132. Okay. Now upper portion make bigger than this, no problem. Now let me draw one center line because I want to, this is circular face, so let me draw one vertical construction line. This is going to be our axis of rotation. Revolve cut. Now here you have to change angle. Let's say 3 degree. Line is already selected. Keep mid plane. Now here let's say 30 degree. Make sure these bodies should cover. Okay. Look. Circular pattern. There are 7 number of patterns, this one except this one. Apply 9 number of patterns. Feature drop down 1, 2. Extruded boss base and cut. Now for direction choose any circular, let's say this face. Now here instances to skip. Look, we don't need these two. So click this pink point. See here instance, these two are going to skip and rest 7 numbers things going to create. Okay. Because the angle between these two is 40 degree. Okay. See. Now let's make this upper body, this blue color body. This blue color body, okay, see this detail view. Inner radius 2 millimeter, outer radius 2.5, and this circle is tangent to outer line. This is important relation. Fine. Now angle between these two 45 degree. There are 2 lines. And if you see detail view, the height is E by 2. Okay. E by 2. This is important. Okay, let's do this. And there is a hole, this one. Okay, these 9 millimeter from here, and this one G. G is actually 7. Let's do this and select this face, sketch. Now let me select vertical and horizontal. Okay. Center point straight slot. Okay. Now select this outer circle and this circle, make it equal. Then select this one and this outer edge tangent. This is important relation. Dimension 45. Let's check how much this should also 45. Okay. Make it one circle. Now nine millimeter, let's check again. Okay, 9 millimeter from outside, delete 9 millimeter from here. Okay. Okay, this radius 2.5. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Let me extrude boss base. Now here too many things. In selected contour, choose all the things which you want to apply here. Select all the region because these regions we need to extrude. We selected all region, just offset. Now offset value is equal to global variable E divided by 2. Select this green check box. See, arrow moves upside, downward. Now here choose up to next. Up to next means whatever the face it will project up to the next face. Say OK. Look here. Select this face. Okay, later we will make it. Sketch, circle. Now here also hole at every center point. Oh, I don't know. It's okay. Let's create somewhere here. Then we will this center one, delete this. Keep cursor. Okay, this is also going to be placed at center. So place somewhere out of these things. Delete this center one, all circles. Equals to global variable G. Two millimeter. Okay. Now select this all corner circles. Hold shift key and make equal constraint. Okay. Now select this outer circle and this circle. Make it concentric. See. Similarly do for this concentric. Now let's apply extruded cut. We need to remove material. Start at direction 1, keep through all, say OK. Make this upper portion green. OK. See, we done. Now let's check. Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, this seems more practical. Now let's select this one, go to evaluate, measure, see the area, 769.26 mm square. See, this is perfect. Clear. Select this yellow area. 480.66. This is exactly we need it. Done. Clear. Now select this green area. Now you have to select 1 and 2. Now the green area is 530.88 millimeter square. See, this is also perfect. Okay, the area is fine. Again, let's say P2, P1, P2. This is the P1 point, and this is the P2 point. See this black area, a black line. This is the direct distance, 60.54. Let me check. See 60.54, 480, 795, 30, all are we find out. 17653.7. This is the our volume. Let's check, is it achieved? We achieved this one. Done. Mass property. Go to option here, accuracy level higher. Okay. 17998. Okay, we missed here. I believe something is happened wrong, but anyhow we achieved our result. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.